big things that are happening in all of our organizations. There's central, real kind of rocks or boulders worth of work that's getting pushed out of our organizations. How do we actually celebrate those moments, right? So oftentimes these things can be pretty ad hoc or they can get lost. What we do at Assembly is we actually encourage people to build launch announcements flow. So let's say there's a large campaign or a large feature or a new partnership or a big deal that's being launched or completed or closed. What we want to do is say, let's have a real dedicated space to call those out and to structure what matters about it, right? So for us, it's what just launched, what does this mean for our customers, our company, and our partners? And then we want to, once again, point out who contributed to that work. So who drove and contributed to this launch? And then we want to award those people points. We want to give them something a little sweet that they can go and redeem at the end of the day for whatever it is they want. So we use the launch announcement flow in this way. And launch announcements is another one of our templates. So if we jump into flows, perhaps you don't like our set of questions, you can go here, find launch announcement, and here's those questions we just discussed. What launched? What does this mean for our customers and our partners? Who drove and contributed? And award those people points. We use this template and jump into the editor. Once again, we can make this whatever we want it to be. So because this flow is triggered, basically each time something goes out, we call it no trigger so that people can just jump in and respond whenever. We ask them what just launched, but you might want to ask them something more specific, which campaign just launched, if you want this to be specifically for marketing campaigns, which feature just launched, if you want this to be just for your engineering and your product teams, really anything. You can structure it more deeply, you can make it more broad, you can add additional questions, it's all up to you. So once we've saved this flow, this is the kind of flow where we want perhaps all of our organization to be able to participate, and we want everyone, no matter who's participating, to actually be able to go and see those new posts. So this becomes a shared place to celebrate the wins that are going out, to get visibility on those wins, and to get the people who contributed to them to be recognized and rewarded.